If you want to learn 3dsMax completely with V-Ray 6, Tyflow, character animation, After Effects, Phoenix FD fire and liquid simulations, you can go ahead and take my course. Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to use cloth simulation with some forces. Okay, so let's start working on it. I am going to use a sphere to create some forces and this kind of stuff. You can use any 3D model you want. Okay, make sure that it is not touching the ground because we want our plane to touch the ground, so that's why. Okay, move it to the up a little bit and that's it. Now create a plane. This plane will be our cloth. Give it the segment of 25 for the testing purposes. We will increase the segments later because these segments will increase the quality of our cloth simulation. Now create a Tyflow. Go to modify panel, open editor. So first of all we need to convert this object into cloth. So first we are going to use the birth objects. Pick the cloth. Now we are going to use the cloth bind. Now you can see these crosses. So in order to remove these crosses, go to display and uncheck mark particles with no geometry. So our cloth is created. Okay. Now the next thing we have to do, we want our cloth to get attracted towards this sphere. To do that, one thing we can do is, so we are going to use the surface force. This one where it is, PQRS. So this is the surface force. Pick our object. And now you can see suddenly all of our cloth starts to move towards our sphere. Okay, now we need to fix some of the stuff here. First of all, we need to decrease the value of attraction of our surface force, so change it to 0.1. And the next thing is that we need to create a ground collider and a gravity. So let's create a gravity with the force operator. Now give it the strength of -0.1 and then create a ground collider with the help of collision operator. Okay, now the issue is that our cloth and the ground are at the same position. So unhide all and move the plane little bit to the top and then hide it again. And now you can see the result. Okay, so increase the surface force again. Again it's too much, change it to 0.2. Okay, now we want our cloth to collide with this sphere. So to do that we are going to use another collision operator and then from that pick the sphere. So now our cloth is colliding with the sphere. Okay, it's great. We need to fix some of the stuff that is going on here. First of all, we need to increase the time step to increase the quality, and we need to increase the particle bind solver to 25. Okay, now we will get more quality. Unhide everything, select the plane, increase the segments to 80 and 80 and hide again. Run the simulation. Okay, so our simulation is completed. You can see the result. So the thing is that we need to select the Tyflow, apply a relax modifier and then apply a turbo smooth and then apply a shell modifier like this. So we have created a simple simulation with some forces. Okay, now the next thing we can do is that to avoid the particles to avoid the cloth intersection of the cloth, is that we have to use the particle physics. And let's run the simulation to see how it looks. Okay, now you can see the result. Okay, let's decrease the surface force value to a lower value because it is too much. Okay, let's you can go ahead and use all of the other stuff you want. One more amazing thing you can do is to use find target operator, and inside the find target pick the sphere. You can see they will grab the sphere as fast as they can. Okay, so go ahead and play with all of the settings. Remember, you can use all of these operators with the cloth. So thank you for watching. I am going to use the slow operator to slow everything down because at this moment everything is too fast. You can see much more slower. I think more slower. So the value of slow at 90% is good. You can see, so in place of the sphere you can use any object you want and create a beautiful cloth attraction simulation. So that's it. Thank you for watching. So this is my channel Zeon Horizon. I upload lot of videos on Tyflow, 3DsMax and Phoenix FD. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content for you to learn and inspire from.